Welcome to Courtesy on Wheels, and I'm Dan.
And I'm Megan.
Megan, it's a beautiful hot day.
Hot is an understatement.
Do you like the fact
It's only 217 degrees outside.
But it's Kentucky in the summertime. We got their little spritzers here.
I
Just
know.
kinda nice little fans. And you
that.
know, I got you a cabana. What about that?
I'm pretty excited about it.
You like my
I'm
cabana?
going to add some palm trees, some palm leaves to it.
Yes.
To make it look more like I'm at the beach. I'm going to get a little
Yes.
sandbox down
See,
here.
I'm keeping you out of the sun.
A bucket with a little,
I
build a sand castle.
do you have any SPF on?
Cabana boy.
Cabana boy.
Yep.
Oh, boy.
That's next on the list.
Cabana
on
boy?
your list
It's on my list.
of things to
I
get
see.
me.
I see. All right. If you
But
tune
it
in,
is-
if you tuned in, we also got this little puppy here from the Humane Society. Her name is
Liberty, and she's a Chihuahua mix.
Chihuahua mix.
I don't know how old she is, though. I think I forgot.
Oh, I don't know. She's
Oh my God! You got me a cabana.
Yes, we have
This
Sydney
is the best
here.
day ever.
This is my
Oh my
cabana
God,
boy.
yeah.
This is Sydney. This is Sydney, cabana boy.
Oh
Yes.
my God!
Yes.
Oh my God! I can't even
See,
believe this.
Sydney's the cabana boy
This
for
is
today.
the best day ever.
He's your own personal cabana boy. He is yours for the whole show.
Wow, he's
Sydney's here to help
excellent.
us.
He is pretty excellent. I
Yeah,
must say.
no?
Thank you,
Did I
Sydney,
do
for
good?
coming.
Did I do a good job?
Yeah.
That's-
I think I have some
yeah.
a bathing suit that matches his.
Oh boy, yes. But if you tuned in to see the best in pre-owned vehicles, you're at the right spot with our cabana boy Sydney.
I can't even focus today.
I
I'm
know
having a hard time focusing.
you having problems looking
Yeah.
to the left.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to sell cars for only $73 down. No payments till October, and we'll give you a $500 shopping spree at Walmart.